Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in the beginning stages of Niob.finance. This is a project that is not yet trading on the market, and I just wanted to throw in a disclaimer that this is not financial advice. I'm simply sharing with you what I'm doing to build wealth through passive income using my own money. Just a little bit about me. I'm an enthusiast and certainly not an expert. My passion is, sharing value with anyone who's willing to listen, or I'm a teacher at heart and I love to share what I learn. And I think it's the best way for me to learn what I'm doing as well when I try to teach it to others or share with others. So I'm a new investor and will share my journey on investing in Niob and Tron Futures and other cryptocurrencies. So I'm very fortunate to have a networking circle where I get advice and from experts on the topic. So this is how I learn about Niob and Tron, Xifra, etc. So, investment opportunities that are not widely available or that people don't really know, and things that are like in the early stages. So this is where I get my information. I'm also learning how to day trade, and we'll share every step of the way with that journey so that you can learn from my mistakes and successes. I'm really here for the long haul, so join me and let's build this wealth together. So what I'm going to show you right now, what you can see in my screen is my dashboard. Now, what I recommend is that you please go to the person that recommended you or referred you to niob.finance, using his or her affiliate link to sign up, a referral link. But if you stumbled on my video and you do not have a referral, I have linked my own referral link below so that you can join for free. And the other cool thing about this community, and you'll see once, and I'll show you on the dashboard that you're looking at right now. So once you sign up, you'll have the same here. So this is a free account. So you'll be able to refer your friends and you'll get more information here. And this is going to be the link that you share with your friends. And I think, it'll give you information on what you can get, but it's a good way for you to build a team. But what I'm going to do is just get started with, again, I want to be very transparent. So I'm going to do every single thing in front of you. Okay. So, it might take some time because I'm doing it for the first time as well. And this is how I feel like you guys can really get a good, idea of exactly what to do, and not just in theory. So I'm going to show you. I haven't bought anything yet. I just signed up. My friend sent me this link last night, and so I did it this morning. So again, what you want to do, so this is going to be your dashboard, and I did want to share that right now the price, so how you read this is the price is at 21 cents. Now the next price jump is going to be when this 9,296,637 hits this number. That's when it's going to be the next price jump. So it's coming up. I'm certain it's going to be by the end of the week. This is definitely now going to be at 22 cents. And one thing to keep in mind is that this started at 3 cents per token, and as they sell more, the price will continue to rise. So it's expected to launch at 50 cents. So the launch date, they're saying, is going to be December 21st, so right before Christmas. And of course, the market always determines the price, but experts believe that the price will only go up. So this could be our only opportunity to get in while it's still at 20 cents or under 22 cents. I think after that, it's just going to keep going up. So I am going to, again, do everything with you in front of you. So what you want to do is you want to go to the left side and you'll see buy tokens. So you're going to click on that. And you can decide what you want to pay with. Some of these ones have like gas fees, and I'm not very familiar with these other ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy Bitcoin, and I am going to do 1,000. So this is the Bitcoin number that you need, right? So so you need to have this much money in Bitcoin. Yikes. Oh, oops. Sorry. See, we're doing this together. All right. So I need $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, at least in my Coinbase account. So I'm going to go over to my Coinbase account, and I have not, guys, done anything yet. All right. So I'm going to buy Bitcoin using, you can do anything. Now, here's one thing you don't want to do. You don't want to use your bank account, because that's going to take 11 to 15 business days for this to become available. So if I could buy, essentially, I technically I could buy Bitcoin using my bank account, but I won't have those assets available to buy this token Niob for a very long time. So I've made that mistake before. You could do cash if you have cash in your Coinbase wallet, which I do, and I just transferred money. I wired money. So wiring money, you want to do this. This is another tip. You want to do this with your own personal account, right? So your name on your bank account needs to match the name on your Coinbase account if you're going to wire money in. What I did is I made the mistake of wiring money through my business account. And so the name of my business account is different from my name, from obviously my first name on Coinbase. So they rejected my wire. It was just probably a good 10 business days of back and forth until the money was back in my account. So I missed out on some investment opportunities because of that. Now, the only thing I do now, it's a wire transfer. So this morning I wired from my personal bank account. Again, it has to match your Coinbase account. I wired about $1,100 to Coinbase this morning around 7 a.m. Eastern time, and it's already there. And I did that with the sole intention of buying Niob. So because I know that I need to buy Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do is use the cash, and this is going to be right away. So I'm going to buy cash. I'm going to buy $1,000 of, this is another thing that I'll show you guys in a later video. But a lot of times people, when you're buying an exact amount of Bitcoin, people had it on US dollars, and they would not allow you to do anything. So until I learn how to move these arrows around but you'll see in a moment. So I'm going to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin using my cash. Okay. So do you see how much I have in my balance is 461. So I don't want a weekly buy. I don't have that kind of cash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy $1,000. Oops. I'm actually going to put, you know what? I'm going to put more because there's a fee. So I'm going to put 1020. Because there is a Coinbase fee to buy. So let's preview this buy. So 1,000. So see, I need to have 1,000. So, all right, perfect. So let's buy this. So we're going to buy this. It's always nerve-wracking, guys. You know, we all work really hard for our money. So just be mindful of how you spend and how you invest your money. Don't rush to do things. Take your time. You know, if all you can do is $50, I think actually the minimum is $100 for Niob. If all you can do is just $100, just go at your pace, guys. Don't try to do what other people do who are maybe more, who have more, who are willing to lose more, right? This is technically a way of, it's a gamble. I think if you're, it's calculated risk, but again, it is risk, and I know we all work really hard for our money. So just please be mindful of how you invest your money, and just, go slow and steady. And so that's what I'm doing anyways. Okay, so now I'm going to see, so I have this much available in Bitcoin. Okay, cool. So I don't need to view my transaction. I'm going to go back over here, and I need to do, this is how much Bitcoin I need to get, right? So I'm doing $1,000, but this is how much Bitcoin I need to get. So you're going to do buy now. Okay, so I need to buy this much Bitcoin. Okay, let's see. Bitcoin. Oops, let's see. Actually, let's do buy now and see what happens. Again, guys, we're doing this together. All right, so I need... amount in TC in Bitcoin. I think that's what that is. Equal token. So I want to do Okay, so I need to send the exact BTC amount, right? So this is how you do this, guys. This is this is why I'm doing this video with you, all right? So we're gonna go back over here, and then I'm gonna go here. Okay, cool, that's done. And I'm gonna send, so this is where I'm gonna copy paste that number. Now, if this was $1, this was so frustrating trying to put this number in here because it wasn't letting me. So let's see. So that's in dollars. We want it in Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste that exact number. So that number that we saw right here, 0.017, make sure it's right, 0.0, yep, that's right. And then this is going to be the 2 is going to be this number. All right, so otherwise no automatic allocation. Okay, so let's send it here. And this is where we want it to go. All right, so let's do this, and this is the address. Oh gosh, this is always a little bit nerve-wracking for me because I'm conservative in how I spend my money, but I am trying to build wealth for my family and my loved ones and for myself. So I am hoping and praying and researching that this is all cool. All right, so now we're going to continue. So, okay, guys, remember, this is going to this address, PTC address. So this is the address, right? So we're going to go like this and then continue. We're going to pay with Bitcoin. And now let's see, we're going to send it here, pay in Bitcoin. Oh, no, I need more. Okay, shoot. I need more. No, okay, no, that's fine. Okay. Don't worry about this part, okay? So it's doing that. So now we're gonna send it, and it should take some time. Now I do this also with Tron, and it's asking me for my verification. All right, so it's saying that this transaction usually takes about 30 minutes. Okay, we're gonna go over to my I'm not going to move this because I also did this same transaction with something similar with Tron Futures, and I can share a video on that a little later, but that's also something that's super giving me returns. And like I said, I am transparent in what I do, and I can show you every step of the way. So I'm going to refresh and see if it's okay. Like it said, it might take 30 minutes to do this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my dashboard and see if anything showed up. Nope, nothing yet. So we're going to just do let me refresh and see how long it takes. Okay, not yet. Hey guys, so we are back. So that took about 20 minutes, maybe 15-20 minutes for it to show up on my account. And so here it is. So I'm going to do a refresh. So I'm really excited because I got in and this is how much I purchased. So this was a little bit, it was $1,000, but it ended up being like $9.99 point something. And I'm glad because I got it at 21 cents. So again, it's in here now. And if you guys want to go ahead and do this as well, I highly recommend that you please do the best that you can with what you have. And if all you can do is just $100, go for it. The way I'm seeing things now is instead of buying, a latte or a frappuccino or shoes or, just things that are just silly expenses, I am putting my money on this. In fact, I was saying to my husband, don't buy me any gifts. So my birthday is right after Christmas on January 3rd. I'm a Capricorn. So I just said, look, don't buy me anything. Let's not go anywhere, because he was thinking maybe we should go skiing. Maybe we should go spend some time somewhere, a weekend getaway or something for my birthday. And I was like, nope, just, whatever we spend on that, I'd rather invest it in our future. I wish I thought this way when I was a lot younger. I actually have a cool story to share But a long time ago, I was working for a startup that had a very successful IPO, and I just had so much money at that time. I was very young, and I wish I had somebody who said, "Hey, listen, put this in like something like a safer investment, portfolio, and not just put it in my savings account," because nothing was doing with that. And, it's just so accessible. The one thing that I do like about this, I like it and I don't like it, is that it's not easy to just take your money out. It takes some steps. You can obviously get your money out, but it's not like as accessible, obviously, as it is in your savings account or your checkings account. So, when you're at the store and you're like, "Ooh, let me buy this," if you want to pull money from your portfolio or from your Coinbase or Clever Wallet or anything like that, you have to, it's a process. And hopefully by the time you get to that process, you talk yourself out of that dumb purchase. That's how I see it anyways. Okay, guys, so as you can see, it worked. Everything's great. And this is my first time doing it, and I'm so excited that I was able to share with you my step-by-step way of, what happens and what to expect. So again, you want to have money in your Coinbase wallet, and you want to have like actual cash in there, because otherwise, you're going to have to do a wire transfer, and do not do ACH unless you're okay with waiting 2 weeks to get your money. So again, you can buy with different tokens or different coins. I used Bitcoin, and I showed you the process. Just be very, very careful about your the key or the wallet address that you enter. Just copy paste and make sure that you get the exact amount in the currency that you're using, which for me it was Bitcoin. So make sure you copy paste that as well. Go back to the video, leave me a comment or a question if you have anything. I will do my best to answer as best as I can. Let me know if you're investing in this token, and when you do sign up, share with others using your own commission link. So yes, guys, good luck to all of us, and remember to take it easy with your hard-earned money. And hit a like. It helps the algorithm of my YouTube channel. It's very small, but I really come with an open heart, and I really want all of us to do well. What I want for me is I want for you and for everybody else. It's a quote that I really love and respect and follow. So if this helped you, please leave me a like, follow, if you can, subscribe. Leave me a comment and a question, anything that I can do to help. And if you have anything you can teach me, if there's so much anybody can teach me, go ahead and drop it in there. And I'm always open to learn. And so thanks so much, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. It's November 24th, 2021. And happy holidays as well. Stay safe. Okay. Bye-bye.